Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see the recipe of Rajma Chawal. Delicious Rajma Chawal and perfect Jeera rice. Yes, perfect Jeera rice recipe along with Rajma. Let's get started. To make Rajma, we need Rajma. Jokes apart, here I've got 1 cup Rajma, that is kidney beans, which I had soaked overnight. So different varieties of Rajmas are available in market. You can use the one which I am using, or you can use the darker variety, which is Kashmiri version. I had washed the Rajma really well before soaking it, and that is the reason I am also using the same water. So total 3 cups water is what we need. A little here and there is also okay. Add some salt. And then here I've got 3 medium to big size tomatoes. I'm going to add these tomatoes without chopping them directly to the Rajma. And that way the Rajma will become really flavorful and get the flavor of tomatoes really well. And the tomatoes will also just mix in the gravy really well. Trust me, try this trick. Now I'm going to pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. So first whistle at high flame, and then after lowering the flame, the remaining whistles. Let's move to the next step. So for Jeera rice, we need 1.5 cup Basmati rice. Wash it and then soak it. If you are able to soak it, it's great. If you do not have time to soak, then also you can use it right away. So 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you have time, you can soak the rice. If you soak the rice, it will take less time to cook. Rajma has cooked. I'm going to let the pressure cooker cool down and release its pressure. Now let's cook the rice. So here I'm adding the soaked rice along with the water because I had washed the rice really well. To this I'm adding water. The water should be enough to cook the rice, and later we are going to drain the rice and remove excess water. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Don't worry, it won't be a lot because we are going to drain the rice and a lot of salt will wash away with the water. So once the rice is fully cooked, immediately drain it. Then let the rice sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just spreading it in my sieve so that it cools faster. Moving back to the Rajma, you can see the tomatoes are perfectly cooked. I'm just removing the skin. And if your tomatoes are not really mashed, you can take them out in another bowl and mash them, or you can just mash them the way I am doing. To thicken the gravy, I'm going to take out some Rajma and mash it. It's really a great tip and it really adds a nice texture to the Rajma curry, or even the same could be done in chole. Mash it while the Rajma is hot because it would be easier for you to mash it while it's hot. So this is done. I'm keeping it aside. Heat a kadai, add around 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon Jeera, that is cumin. Let it crackle and then add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. Keep the flame high and saute the onion till it becomes slightly brown in color, close to brown. Then add 2 small-sized bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, approximately 1 inch cinnamon. Saute for 5 to 10 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for 15 to 20 seconds or till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and again saute for 5 to 10 seconds between low to medium flame. 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Then add approximately 2 teaspoon red chilli powder. Well, the amount of red chilli powder also depends on the type of chili you're using. I'm using Badi, which has more red color and less heat. Now add the cooked Rajma. At this stage, if required, you can add little water to adjust the consistency, but I did not add any extra water. And here I'm adding the mashed Rajma which I had kept aside. It will thicken the gravy, it will add really nice texture as we keep on cooking the Rajma, which I'm going to do for next 10 minutes between low to medium flame. Keep cooking and you would notice that the gravy will thicken a little and would become perfect to be eaten with rice. Look at it, it looks delicious and it smells fantastic. This is ready. I'm going to now keep it aside and quickly make Jeera rice. Heat your pan and add 2 teaspoon ghee, 2 teaspoon cumin, that is Jeera. Let it crackle and then add the cooked rice. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons approximately finely chopped fresh coriander. After this, be very careful. You need to flip and toss the rice till everything is really mixed, and make sure you use the spatula from sides towards inside, and that way you would be able to mix the rice really well without breaking it. Cover for 2 minutes at low flame and then it's ready. Serve the rajma right away with the delicious Jeera rice. This combination of rajma and Jeera rice is lethal in a good way. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!